worst thing I could be doing to myself right now? Focusing on the wants and not the needs. Seems with all advance there's a cancer beneath. Lord, may say anything, you know, to make this. Say anything, just anything, you know, to make this place feel safe. String me from these light bulbs that I crown these ideas from. Don't let me down till I find my way out. Lie to me, tell me everything be okay, even if it's not. Say anything, just anything, you know. Make this place feel safe. Lie to me, tell me everything will be okay, even if it's not looking that way. Say anything, just anything, you know, to make this place feel